Welcome to ExecConnect. I'm Curtis Hollister. Let's talk about the big C. According to the American Cancer Society, there are over 10 million people living with cancer at any time in the United States. Many face life-altering changes to their well-being, or worse. Talk to any oncologist and they'll tell you that you absolutely want to diagnose cancer at its earliest stage, ideally stage 1 or 2. For many cancers, diagnosis and treatment at stage 1 provides a better than 80% chance of being cured. So, big question, how do you catch cancer early? Here to talk to us about Onko-Sure, a cancer diagnostic touted as being able to detect cancer earlier and more effectively than its competitors, is Douglas MacLellan, CEO of Radient Pharmaceuticals, currently trading OTC under the symbol RXPC. Douglas, welcome to ExecConnect.
Hi, thanks for having me.
So Douglas, Onko-Sure is touted as being able to detect 19 types of cancer, but you're currently only cleared by the FDA for the monitoring of colorectal cancer in the United States.
You know, Onko-Sure is approved for the monitoring of colorectal cancer here in the United States. It's approved for the detection and monitoring of lung cancer in Canada, and it's available to be used as a general cancer screening in multiple other countries outside the U.S. and Canada. And we expect that that utilization for those different modalities will expand in 2012.
So far, the company's had marginal sales, but recently signed deals with a new international distributor in Taiwan and some new labs here in the U.S. Can you talk about this, and when should we be expecting to see sales coming out of these deals?
You know, the hard work we've done with developing new distributors, we think has been very important, and we believe will help us significantly increase sales during 2011 and into 2012. Also, attending and presenting at international conferences is a critical development tool for us to gain market acceptance and market awareness of our very valuable test, Onko-Sure.
You know, looking at the stock listed OTC, RXPC, you guys are trading some monster numbers. You know, some of the volumes are in excess of 4 million shares a day or over the last 8 months, and a lot higher. You know, so you're on people's radar screens, but you have been recently delisted from the Amex. Is it the company's intention to relist on the Amex, the NASDAQ, the TMX? What's the plan?
You know, the most critical thing for us is raising the awareness of Onko-Sure and expanding our sales of Onko-Sure throughout the world. That's the key thing for us, and as long as we execute on that, it will allow us to gain traction, I believe, in the capital markets, and also allow us to be able to then seek a listing on a senior North American exchange.
Well, let's talk a little bit about strategy and game plan. So what is the game plan moving into 2012? You know, I'm looking at this stock, I'm following this stock. Where's it going to be a year from now, from the point of view of what's your focus?
You know, I think, as I mentioned before, focusing on the sales of Onko-Sure in the various markets around the world for the various indications that we have approvals for is critical to our business model. And we think that this year is the first year we're really executing in a way that sets the stage for a very strong 2012.
Douglas, thanks so much for making the time.
Great.
Best of luck in 2012. To see more about Radient Pharmaceuticals, go to investorchannel.tv, your source for access to management and expert interviews.